Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood 70E-630. This is a push plate is what it is. Typical and common push plate. You see these everywhere and all the time. The 70 is representative of Rockwood's 50 thousandths of an inch thick plate, same thickness as a standard kick plate. The E is a reference to the size. This is a 6 by 16, and in my opinion, not common enough. 6 by 16, 4 inch wide, which is a 70C. Yes, 70C, 4 inch wide. I don't think is good enough. I think the E is the way to go because it allows to cover the door, and the size of the hand when you're pushing the door is more commiserate to a 6 inch width. If you've got a door and you've got a 3.5 inch by 15 or a 4 by 16, you've got this wear pattern that the hardware hasn't covered. I would prefer a wider plate. Obviously, a wider, larger plate will possibly detract away from the look of the door. Sure, absolutely. So does, gouges and fatiguing finish, things of that nature. I happen to prefer hardware doing the job. Now, 630, that means two things. That means that this is a piece of solid stainless steel and in a brushed finish. This is the back side, this is the front side, and that scratches, the scratching that you see on there, that's nothing other than the peel away protective film that's covering the pristine, of course, base finish. That's here. This is a typical screw mount, and you're going to get screws. Number 6 by 5/8 flat, oval head screws. Undercut head as well. This will be a B4E, beveled 4-edge. All 4 of these sides have a bevel on them. If this wasn't beveled, you would not be able to run your finger down it. It would surely be a problem. So beveled 4-edge is by far the most common and, in my opinion, the only way to go with a piece of plate that your hands touch. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, and that's handy because it will allow you to see the 70, the different sizes, and therefore how the part number changes based on the size. The radiused corner version of it, and then the radiused end version of the push plate as well. This is going to be available in all of the finishes. Your stainless, satin and polished, aluminum, clear, dark bronze, black, it goes on and on. Everything that you can do in aluminum, Rockwood can do. Brass-based material, bronze-based material, your chromes, your bronzes, your brasses, your satin, your polished, your oil-rubbed bronze, your oil-rubbed brass equivalent, custom powder coating. It's almost as if Rockwood encourages you to ask them to do a custom finish. They are happy to do it. Lots of custom preparations you can do to this. You might want to have a cylinder hole cut for a deadbolt. You might want to have the word push engraved on this. You might need to have some other sort of punching done to this. You might need for this to be an escutcheon plate over the head of a panic device because you've gone from a discontinued exit device to a brand new exit device and you're going to have some holes left over. Well, Rockwood can take and punch this plate to suit your needs. Point of the matter is this: I'm partial to Rockwood, as it's probably obvious. And it's because of their capabilities, their willingness, their excellent customer service, their even better technical support, their comprehensive offering of all things trim and auxiliary hardware related. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full-line Rockwood catalog and review all things Rockwood hardware related in trim and auxiliary, kick plates, push and pull hardware, door stops, the regular kind of stuff. But also their Rockwood RM series, their architectural door pulls. That catalog link is there as well. If you have any questions on the Rockwood 70E-630 6x16 push plate or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.